Alright, we're doing a Honda Ridgeline key. The guy should be here soon, but I'm going to start working on it. There is a glove box lock that has a code on it, but the car is locked, so I need to get it open first. Alright. There's usually 2 screws on here, but there's missing one, so there's only 1 screw on here. Alright, got his glove box lock. This glove box lock in my hand. I'm gonna do it all right here. Okay. Key code on this one's actually on the outside, right here. So we'll cut it by code. K752. Alright, we'll put this back in. And then we'll cut a key. And I just gotta get it programmed.
Yeah, you gotta make sure it works in the ignition and whatnot.
Yeah. Alright, customers here. Let's finish this up. What's your car again?
It's a 06.
06 Ridgeline, right?
Yeah, it should be a 06.
Okay. Alright, let me get it programmed. I'm gonna put your car on YouTube, okay?
Oh, hell yeah.
Cool.
I seen a little bit of your YouTube video.
You did? Nice.
I thought that was nice too.
Yeah. Just following the steps. Securely out, yes. Makes sense. Get some gas. All right, it's all done. Good?
I said he kind of looks like my mom, but he's not my mom.
That's funny.
My mom will be back in like 2 more minutes.
Oh, nice.
Hey, it's not my fault you get too big.
Yeah.
I lost my keys while driving somebody else's car.
I have this guy that he has like a weed shop, you know, and he's always locking his keys in his car, right? So
sounds like me.
yeah, so he started apologizing. He goes, "Man, I'm so sorry. Keep calling you." I'm like, "Bro, like keep calling me. Like it doesn't bother me, you know."
Yeah. Damn.
That's how I felt.
The more you smoke, the better for me, right?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.